Hello there, Matthew here with you, and in today's video we're going to take a look at restoring the view state in BIM Track's web viewer. So here we are looking at our project. You'll notice I have a clipping plane here. I'm just going to pull it back a little bit and then get it right out of our way. And I see an issue right here in regards to this beam not being underneath the slab, or perhaps the slab needs to be a little bit further out and we'd have to place these curtain walls a little bit differently. So first thing I'm going to do is select these curtain panels and I'm going to right click and hide them. I'm then going to create a new issue. We can mark it up if we'd like, so we can put a nice square right there, and we'll give this issue a name and fill out the necessary attributes. With our issue created, we're going to go ahead and reset ourselves. So we'll just hit the reset view. It will unhide everything. It will remove my clipping plane. And now when we go back to the issue we had just created, I can see that the clipping plane has been placed, but my elements that I had hidden are back. So if I simply click on these three dots right here, you'll notice the Restore View State option. Let's go ahead and click it. And I immediately see that my curtain panels are being hidden. BIM Track automatically remembers the clipping plane or clipping box, but by restoring the view state, it remembers any elements that have been hidden as well. So this is a nice way to retrieve our issues and see exactly what the original creator of the issue was seeing when they published that issue to BIM Track. So I hope this has been helpful, and until next time, have a great day.